Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When adding power to your Camaro, there are plenty of things that will need to be upgraded to handle the amount of power you're about to throw at it. One thing that seems to be not thought of when replacing some of these parts is the drive shaft. Now, although the factory drive shaft can hold a decent amount of power, the actual drive shaft is typically not the issue. It's the center carrier bearing that tends to go out before anything else. One new brand that we have recently added to our site is Gulfcoast Driveshaft. These folks manufacture drive shafts that are available in aluminum or carbon fiber and can handle the good amount of power that can be thrown at them. Each of their kits will come ready to bolt on, since they will come with direct bolt-on adapter flanges, so they take the guesswork out of trying to figure out if this kit is going to fit your model. Their stuff is going to fit right in place without any questions asked. Their aluminum drive shafts are constructed out of Kaiser KDS4 T8 tubing, not only for its structural foundation, but also its ease to build and balance features. This makes their aluminum versions roughly 20% stronger than most other one-piece aluminum drive shafts available. Once these kits are built and installed, they will not only be something that looks good, but something that will outperform with some of the best. The carbon fiber drive shafts are constructed at a 3.25 inch by 1.55 inch carbon fiber tubing, while also using a 2024 aluminum yoke shaft. The carbon material is layered up to 14 times to achieve maximum strength for these kits. This combination is ideal for those setups that are looking to achieve high-speed runs with their builds. No matter the choice, aluminum or carbon fiber, each of these Gulfcoast kits are spun on their coax balancers, and they send out a printout of each kit, giving you peace of mind knowing your drive shaft is balanced to industry standard tolerances. So now that I have told you about their products, how do you know which one to go with? Well, this choice is fairly simple. The aluminum versions are going to be for those guys that are built for those drag racers, or the autocross folks that are going to apply hit after hit of power to the rear end. The aluminum version can take the abuse when it comes to that kind of application. The carbon fiber versions is going to be for those guys that are looking to perform high-speed runs. The lightweight construction allows for less rotational mass, keeping this moving as fast as possible to achieve the end goal. To wrap it up, Gulfcoast Driveshaft creates some amazing looking drive shafts that are going to allow you to completely achieve your goal and get the power you have built transferred to the tires. Be it aluminum or carbon fiber, either version you choose is going to bolt right in place, keeping you on the road or at the track. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.